Welcome to Top 4 Earn channel.
Step number 1, go to canva.com. Here you need to create a free account. You can do it with Google, Facebook, or Apple. It's all free, so just make the account. And if you've heard about this platform before, we're not gonna do any of the stuff that you've probably heard before. It's gonna be completely new. Now, once you're inside, just click on Instagram post on the front page. And now that we're in the templates tab, all we have to do is pick one of the templates. So we're gonna click on this one right here. So here you can see a really nice image. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna change out make crypto from home. Now this has nothing to do with investing in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or anything like that. It's a lot easier than that. Make crypto from home. And then we're gonna go to Google and search for Bitcoin PNG. So now we're gonna click on this one right here and make sure that it has a checkered background. Then we're gonna click on save image as and just save that image. Now you can drag the Bitcoin icon right over here. So we're gonna place it first right in front of the laptop right here, and then we're also gonna place it in the top right here. Also, I like having all of it the same color, so we're gonna go with this color scheme, and then we can click on photos and then search for crypto right here. This image right here is free, so we're gonna add that in the background. Just drag it over like this, then right click and then send to back. Lower the brightness a little bit and the contrast. This is starting to look absolutely awesome. So we're gonna click all the way at the top on download, and then we're gonna download it as a PNG. Just click right here, all for free. You can do this so simply. Now this has nothing to do with investing in crypto or getting Bitcoin or anything like that, so don't worry about that. But now I'm gonna show you how to make money with this. And step number 2 is going to be to go to digistore24.com. Now, if you've heard about this before, you don't have to do the affiliate marketing strategies we talked about before. You don't have to make a blog or even a YouTube video. You don't have to do any of that. So all you need to do to get started is click start now. It's free to sign up. And the good part about this is that this is all worldwide. There's a lot of platforms that do affiliate marketing that's not worldwide, but this one is that. So I'm looking out for you guys. So all you need to do is to go to Digistore24, sign up all of this. You probably already know your first name. You probably already know your country. Now that you're inside, you can click on marketplace right here and then all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Here you can see all the different affiliate categories that you can go into, like dating, education, family, kids, fitness, health, food, drinks. And what we're gonna go into today is actually right over here. So we're gonna sort by, instead of sales rank, we're gonna click earnings per cart visitor. On top of that, we're gonna change from euros to USD, all right? And here you can see that the highest ranking one is this called intelligent cryptocurrencies. And if you can see right here, Digistore24, this is your affiliate link. So if anybody clicks on this link, they will go to this page right here, which is a sales page. And on this sales page, they have a webinar. And what a webinar is that they will have a pretty much an hour of teaching, giving away incredible value in the beginning of this and showing results of people making money with it and how they can make money with it. And at the end, they will actually start selling this product for you. So you don't have to do any of the selling right here at about the hour mark. And here you can see that they're gonna sell a course for $9.97 and you're gonna make 50% of that sale. So this is actually real awesome because they learn how to invest in cryptocurrencies rather than the opposite would probably be to just go out there on their own, try doing trading all on their own, just by luck and by chance. With this one, they actually have the coach that's gonna guide them and give them good information. So if we step back again to the marketplace, as you can see, you are going to make $433 every time somebody buys that through your link. Isn't that crazy? $433. Just imagine getting one sale of that. That is enough to, I don't know, you can buy a new PS5 if you want to. You can buy an Xbox, play some Cyberpunk 2077. I haven't gotten the time to play it yet because I'm making videos every single day to the end of December. So I would thank you so much if you could smash that like button so we can share this to more people. Also, comment down below who your favorite boxer is or fighter and you can enter to win, but stay all the way to the end of this video. It's not much left until you see how you can just get this automated and then you can make money while you're sleeping. So as you can see, you can make $433, and we're gonna take a look at this product from the stats point of view, all right? One of the biggest things I look at as an affiliate marketer is the cancellation rate. 4.9%, that's really good. So this is one of the best stats I'm looking for. So now you got your affiliate link right here. You also have your Canva image right here. Now the next step is to go to adclerks.com. All you need to do in order to start this is to go to all ads and then you will click on cryptocurrency. Now here you can also start in all others like affiliate marketing, beauty, fashion. I know you guys are into like pet and animals. From my last video, you guys were so excited about the golden retriever video, which is really awesome. And now you can see that this website freebitcoin.io gets over 2.7 million impressions, and you can put your image right in front of that for 50 cents per 1,000 impressions. That's so cheap and easy to do. So that means if you want 10,000 impressions, all you need to do is pay $5, and those $5 can turn into, you know, $433 while sleeping, all automated. This other website, Faucetville, is another cryptocurrency that has 9.6 million impressions. And again, take a deeper look right here. There's a lot other cryptocurrency website you could be doing this on as well. But just let's click. They're getting 2.7 million monthly impressions. And you can also see that the traffic here, what's most important is that it's higher quality traffic, meaning US, UK, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, and mostly English speaking countries. Purchasing power. The second one, as you can see, is actually from the US. So that's high quality traffic right here. Sliding banners in all pages, extremely visible. And as you can see, these are the requirements, and that's exactly what we have right here. So all you need to do in order to start this is click add to cart, and you can get started making money like this